this video, we'll be showing you how to bring in the control voltage wiring to a PowerPact P or R-frame, shunt trip, or undervoltage trip. Before installing the wiring, make sure that none of the equipment that you are working with is energized. Once you have your shunt trip or undervoltage strip installed, you will notice that the kit also comes with a termination block. The termination block will be installed so that the screw goes into this hole in the breaker. You will then take this connection piece from the shunt trip or undervoltage trip and put it in this slot in the terminal block. And then you will bring your control wiring into these two terminal screws.